Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2018 18-plate Mitsubishi Outlander. Now this is the plug-in hybrid version. We did just sell one of these. We just put it on the market and it sold straight away. So they tend to be very popular cars, these, and I can see why. They drive absolutely fantastic performance, and obviously all the specifications we get inside is very impressive as well. Superb styling, so we've got a lot of bright silver detailing to the exterior. So we've got LED daytime running lights, you've got the headlamp wash for those as well. Front fog lamps, we've got roof bars on this one, privacy glass, more bright silver detailing on the kick plates. We're riding on these lovely 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. So they're diamond turned with the gloss black detailing. Inside is a full ebony black smooth leather sports interior. Now these front seats are heated as well as fully electric. Looking at the actual bolsters, looking at the seat base, this is a very well cared for vehicle. Steering wheel's in nice order as well, so there's no signs of any sort of nicks on there. Obviously multi-function wheel with your cruise control, speed limiter, voice command. You can control all the media off of there as well. We've got automatic lights, automatic wipers, full onboard computer. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 54,479 miles. We've got park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear. It's a nice central screen which is super easy to navigate. It's all just via the buttons there and going through the screen itself. Dual zone climate control. You've got heated windscreen, heated steering wheel, which is fantastic for those colder mornings. Obviously blind spot assist. Twin motor 4-wheel drive lock. You've got EV modes, your auto hold and your parking brake as well. Central armrest. Within there you've got quite a bit of storage as well as a 12-volt power outlet. Looking through to the rear seats, those are in superb order. So as you can tell, we've got a central armrest there, we've got Isofix in the bottom for our child's seats. No signs of any sort of rips, tears. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched, they're in nice order. Tailgate wise, or you've got your chargers in the side. On the other side is obviously for your fuel. We've got a detachable tow bar which looks to be never used, so that's in superb order. Now the tailgate is electric, so pressing a button and that glides up. You've got split folding rear seats, we've got a loading cover as well, which is nice just to protect the carpets. Under there you'll find your chargers. You've got a 12-volt power outlet there, so if you're planning camping, you can have a cool box in the back. For the tailgate, just press of a button and that glides down. But a lovely car. Bodywork wise, you can tell the car's been very well cared for by the previous keepers. No signs of any sort of large dents, dings, scratches, nothing that would really deter you from buying the vehicle. But a nice example. So if you'd like anything further, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching and we look forward to your inquiry.